Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We will be talking about few technical indicators and try to understand what could be the trend for these two cryptocurrencies, what could be the levels for these two cryptocurrencies, and lot other thing. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. I'll be starting up with the daily chart, and if you see here, you can see that we can see a very good struggle here, you know, just a second. Yes, so you can see that there is a struggle here. The price is not able to cross above than 22,600 level. So that level is an important one. Resistance is an important one. Also we can see a trend line here. So we can see, I think yesterday it was up by 8% or so. Yes, it was up by more than 7%, around 8%, and today it's something like you can see a 1% fall or something like that. So the price is on a verge of giving a breakout here, but again that depends, because in the past few times we have seen that the price again and again reaching at this level, and we can see a fall from once the price reaches here. So again the situation is same, but at this point of time what we can expect, or where the price can go, that will be confirmed by the today's candle. So if today's candle trades below than this particular trend line, or closes below than this particular trend line as well as this resistance, we will be again getting an indication that price again from here we might able to see that price will again come down. Also on the other side, if you see that the price here will give a breakout, so definitely if the breakout happens, then definitely we can see a level of 25,800 as well. So that is something which is very very important in case of the Ethereum, because Ethereum is sorry, I'm talking about the Bitcoin first. So Ethereum Bitcoin, I'm sorry, so Bitcoin is not able to cross above and trades above and close above than this 22,600 level. So this is something which is happening from the past few weeks now, that the price is trading in a range. So as of now the levels could be 22,600 as the resistance and 20,000 as the support. Now there could be two things. Let's say if the price trades slightly higher than 22,600, so for the intraday, if you see that the price is trading higher than this resistance, then you can take up a level of 25,800, and we just need to wait for the closing. Now if the closing happens above than 22,600, again we'll be changing the levels here, and if not, then we don't need to, and you can just keep the same resistance and support for the next day or for the upcoming days. So this is something at a very important situation. It's a make and break situation, where if the price able to make up a breakout, or if if the price able to closes above then this resistance, you will see a new trend coming up. And if not, then again the same story will continue, that the price will trade in a range, and maybe not this time, next time, or maybe in the upcoming times you will see a breakout. So this is something which is happening for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is basically showing a good strength, and that is the reason I was again and again by default talking about the Ethereum. So now let's talk about this particular cryptocurrency. All right, so it was up by 18% yesterday. That was a very very good move, and if you have seen our video, we have basically mentioned that the price, the first level could be the 1510. So that was the resistance area that we can we had taken up yesterday, and the price is basically trading higher than this. So now again we need to change these levels, and since the price is trading higher than 1510, so we can take up this as the resistance area. This will be the support 1 now, and this will be the support 2, and I'll just keep one more support area here, and that will be resistance sorry, support 3. So this is how you can just look at here. So now the resistance could be 1725. So this is something, you know, we have to change the levels as per the price direction, as per the price momentum. Now one thing which is looking interesting here, that after this 18%, of course there will be a small break in the upside. You know, there will be a you can say that the price will stabilize or will fall a bit, because you know that could be because of the profit booking, and that could be, you know, people who have entered in the Ethereum for the buying position, they might want to enter from it. Another reason could be that looks little bigger than the previous one, that the Bitcoin is not able to give a breakout, and mostly the cryptocurrencies are following the Bitcoin's, you know, steps. So if the Bitcoin is not able to give a breakout, we might able to see that the price from here takes up a resistance here, and then again it will start coming down. So that is something which is important, not only for the Bitcoin but also for the other cryptocurrency. So this is something we need to look at here, and that will be important for the upcoming few days, that if the price in the Bitcoin price, if that gives a breakout, we will definitely see more upside coming up in the other cryptocurrencies too. And if that doesn't happen, you will see that cryptos like Ethereum or any other good crypto will start coming downwards. So that is something you can also see here, and this is at a very interesting level basically. Also one more thing, the market is basically currently open, so we just need to wait for the closing price, because and also this is not the time where we are getting more volumes, and that's the reason you can see that the volumes are less here. So let's just wait for the evening time, let's just wait for the closing price, and then we might able to get more clarity on these two cryptocurrencies. So this is all from my side today. Please subscribe to the channel if you are liking such content, if you are liking this video. So like this video, notify, click on the notification bell icon, so that you will be notified as soon as possible. And let's meet tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching us today.